Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply incremental quantity discount on cart page using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see product quantity 3. So we are going to apply incremental discount on each quantity increase if user has 2 products but quantity 10. So we are going to apply discount on product quantity 10 irrespective of product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic pricing with discount rule for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see pricing rule and then you see settings, so click on it and then you see multiple options. So if you want you can add discount label, if you want you can hide coupon box, so you can do setting according to requirement. So we enable this option and then you see pricing table, you see some text. So pricing table display on single product pages, offer description, you save text, so you can add text according to requirement. Now you see font setting and then you see price rule, so click on it and then you see pricing rule, so click on add new rule. So you can add rule name and then you see priority 1. If you are using multiple discount rule, then highest priority rule apply on cart page. Now you see priority 1, discount type. Now you see multiple option and then you see quantity rule, quantity based discount. Now select, enable this option, discount status and then you see product filter, apply on all product and then you see discount option type. So select discount on cart quantity, disable this option. If we enable this option, then pricing table display on single product pages. So if you want you can enable this and then you see from minimum quantity, maximum quantity, discount type. So we are going to apply discount on cart more than one quantity, count, minimum quantity 2, maximum 2. So we are going to add incremental discount on quantity increase, apply discount percentage, discount value of 5% and then you see add new button, so click on it. From minimum quantity 3, maximum 3. So on each increment we are going to increase discount percentage 10%. If user select 2 quantity, 5% discount apply. If user select 3 quantity, then discount 10% apply. Add new. 4, discount percentage. Now you see 15%. So you can add rules according to requirement. Now add 5. If user have quantity more than 5, now apply 20%, 5 or more than 5 and then you see apply discount for specific user role. If you want you can enable this and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to cart page. Now refresh the page. So we have 3 quantity and then you see 10% discount apply. Now decrease quantity to update cart. Now you see cart quantity 2 and then you see discount 5%. Now make it 4 and then click on update cart. Now apply 50% discount on cart item count. Now you can add more, update cart, more than 5 and then you see discount apply 20%. And if we are removing this, so click on this and then cart quantity 1. Now you don't see any discount. So by using this plugin you will add incremental discount based on quantity increase. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.